up guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take apart a 2011 Hyundai Tucson, and it's because the door handles won't open either from the inside, the outside using the key fob, or even with a manual lock on the inside of the vehicle, and hopefully I can figure out how to make it work. So you guys can see here that I'm able to open the door, and it does make a clicking sound, but the weird thing is that that's not how it normally sounds. When I press the lock and unlock, no sounds are happening at all in this door, but it does still release the other three doors. So I'm guessing something got disengaged, and this one's just a lot easier to undo. So I'm probably going to start with these covers here. There it goes. That was easy. It's actually plastic on the outside, but it feels kind of rubbery on the inside for some reason. Oh, there it goes. It's alive. I don't see any other ones on this side, but there is one here. There's one on that panel, and then there's one at the top. There's actually one missing a cover, so there's a screw exposed there, and then there's one in the actual door handle area. So this one actually stays in place, which is interesting. It's actually held by a little piece right there, so that's convenient. You can lose these little covers pretty easily. Same with this one. Once you get this trim molding off, then you gotta go ahead and actually remove this hidden screw that's behind it, or else you can be pulling and tugging and breaking the plastic. Not what you want done. And you gotta be careful because it is exposed there. It's gonna drop right in between. So I'm gonna put the camera down. Now the whole panel very loosely hangs on, just like that. And it looks like this is the easiest way is to, so I put the bushing back, plastic bushing. So essentially I wrapped this underneath and pinned it on both sides, kind of like this. Let's see if I can do it this way. So just like that. That's all I did. And it was able to stay on. So let me test it again. Yeah, but it's not secure. It's loose. It's gonna rattle around. So maybe I can hook it at that bottom. Still found out that fixing this though, however, does not engage the locking mechanism. That is still not reacting. So since they're power door locks, there's nothing pushing and pulling the actual locking mechanism here. And that's all the way inside the door jamb. I have no clue how to get that to work since it's not a mechanical piece per se. So we're gonna have the mechanic take a look at that. Alright, so I got it back in. Locking or unlocking this doesn't really matter. So I'll leave it anyway. Close the door. Now, I'm able to open. Who knew it could be more than one problem? But that's it. Power door lock don't work, but I seem able to open the door now. Hope you like this video. If you want to see more videos like this, hit like and subscribe.
Dad.
Thank you so much. I got my son right here because he needs my help with something else. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright guys. I hope that serves you in some way. Stay tuned.
Dad, I need
Hit like and subscribe.